what we're having a look at here is this white Hampton Bay Cameron II. So why do I have this? Well, basically, I went on Facebook Marketplace and ended up finding a Fasco Great Room, which is the whole reason I went to that house. And that was only $5. I ended up getting another, I got a Hunter low profile for another $5 and this for another $5. But the Great Room was the whole reason I went up there. But I paid $15 for everything. And I got this because these actually aren't bad fans, from what I hear. And another collector will be buying this at some point. It is in really good shape. I never really looked at this tag here before. I don't know if there's a date on there somewhere or what. It's missing all but one canopy screw. So there's only one screw holding that canopy up. But yeah, as you can see, it's got this long down rod. This fan is hanging almost all the way down to the floor. But of course, this is just for testing purposes. Here's medium. Very, very smooth operation on this fan. And the bearings are silent. And yeah, it actually goes quite fast, and it's moving quite a bit of air. So I definitely believe it when someone says they're not bad fans. I'm definitely pretty impressed by the performance of this thing. Unfortunately, the plastic parts, as you can see, yellow over time. The bottom of the switch cap, the Hampton Bay logo, and the trim ring that was up there at one point actually cracked and broke. So I'm actually trying to fix that with some Gorilla Glue. So that's why it's not on the fan right now. But I do have it. I just noticed that one blade is a little bit warped. This blade right here. Alright, well, that is all for the Hampton Bay Cameron II.